intrepid aviators such as Otto Willenthal and Octave Newton were successfully piloting soaring aircraft, emulating birds' ability to use rising air currents to get man's adventure in flight. With no other launch methods available, to launch these frail craft from ridges, hills, wherever they can find and throw them off of. But now the need to launch from elevated terrain or to be towed aloft has become the nemesis of sailplane pilots. But no longer. Bob Carlton has mounted not one, but as Ray said, 2 jet engines on his FoxJet Sailplane that allow him to not only launch his aircraft at amazing high speed, low-level aerobatics. So folks, remember, Bob is
FoxJet, dynamite.
He's going to dial it up now as he dives in. The jets are going to come up.
Yeah.
He's got the yellow smoke on the wingtips, and he's going to show you some high performance aspects of this remarkable sailplane. That efficient wing is so hard to maneuver around, it just wants to create lift all the time. Are just messing with me now.
Oh, now they've got us figured out, huh?
2 words in 30-some years of doing air shows I've never put together. Sailplane dynamite.
Nope.
There it is.
You know who else is going to need a new pair of pants? Is our buddy Rob back there at the chalet. After seeing that. Holy smokes. Well, we got to tell you, Bob and his wife Lori, they go all over the country doing this. And these two are just terrific at it. They're from Moriarty, New Mexico. They've got two dogs, Ginger and Dewey. They're over 65. And Bob has won nearly every award in the airshow industry, to include the Art Scholl Award for Showmanship, the Chairman's Award given by the Historic Society of America, the coveted Bill Barber Award for Showmanship, presented by our friends at World Airshow. I guess he's 31st year professional airshow performer. And the FoxJet is his 10th airshow airplane. Pretty cool stuff there. I want to thank his sponsors, PBS Czech Republic. They make the engines.
There weren't usually a CPU in some of the airlines.
Yeah, the TJ100. The PBS has been making military-grade hardware for decades, including the APUs, as Rick mentioned. But a great overall engine. Bob also wants to thank M&M Fabrication, Paraphernalia Incorporated, the soft and parachute and the music. Tamara's Love Me by Tammy Jones. All Bob sponsors here from Vertigo Airshows today.
And here, sponsored locally by the Cincinnati Children, so we thank them for that.
Look at this. It's the inverted pass this time. Great job there by our friend Bob Carlton there in the FoxJet. Just love it, Rick Peterson.
Cincinnati Children's, we appreciate their help now with the location. And it's that he hates that. It's just better than landing in the grass where it could be even bumpier, but it's a bit of a ride when he sets down. And he's got a little tail wheel in the back there too. But once he gets down, it's got to be towed back in with a little help from his wife and the vehicle. They'll take the wings off, put it in a trailer, and off they go across this great nation to the next air show.